So there's the helicopter taking off. What happened tonight was a friend of mine called and told me that he saw on the news that the police helicopter had to land for mechanical problems in this parking lot, and it's only about 6 miles from my house. So I basically dropped everything, grabbed a camera, and ran over there, see if I could get some footage. And I was real happy. I got some footage of it actually leaving the parking lot there. So here's a couple of minutes leading up to it, and if anybody's interested, what happened tonight in Tucson. So we just heard on the news that the Tucson Police Helicopter had to land here in this parking lot. Of course, jumped in the truck, ran over here with the camera to see what's happening. I thought there'd be a little bit more commotion. There's a couple of people out here. Not too many. Considering a police helicopter landed in a parking lot, it's got to be the coolest thing to happen on a Wednesday evening. Hopefully nobody got hurt, of course, but how often do you get to see the police helicopter up close? Yeah, this is pretty cool. It's about quarter after 10 o'clock. The TV news crews were packing up here just as I was getting there. I guess they were done doing their stories, and by the time they were packed up was just when the mechanic was getting there. And you'll see even in the background as the mechanic's pulling up, you can see the TV van leaving. So about 11 o'clock they had it fixed, and he takes off about 10 after 11. Oh, something happening. Oh, something happening. This guy looks like he might know what's going on. This pickup truck is coming through the tape. Pretty cool. I don't think I've seen that police truck before. Seems to be backing up to the helicopter. That's a good sign. Yep, they're pulling out some ladders and tools, it looks like. By the way, I'm filming this with the JVC Evrio. At least in the viewfinder it looks like it's doing a pretty good job. Well, the news is over. It's about 10:35, so the news crew, well, one of the news crews left. A little more looky-loos than there was before. I only live about 5-6 miles away from here, so as soon as I heard about it, I ran over. So they've got some kind of hatch open. Okay, we got a little action again. They started to pull up some of the police line. And some of the cars are driving off. So either something's happening or the helicopter's almost fixed. Huh. I'm driving the truck away from it. I think that would be a good sign. I guess some of the looky-loos are leaving. Well, I'm going to pause it here and maybe put it on a tripod.
And of course, as soon as I turned off the camera is when they started it up. So I grabbed the tripod and tried to get a steady video of it taken off. Thought I'd take a minute here. I opened up their website. Don't go to TucsonPolice.com. Just type Tucson Police into a search engine and head to the actual website. We'll have a link in our description here too. But I wanted to find out what helicopter we're looking at, and it's a Bell Jet Ranger, turbine powered. There's 3 of them on the Tucson Air Support, and they fly over 3,000 hours a year. Looks like they've got some pretty cool equipment on board: night vision, forward-looking infrared or FLIR, and 30 million candle powered light. They also have video. So pretty cool helicopters, and here it is taking off.
Well, so it got off the ground there okay, which is good news. And I guess they'll just pull up the police tape and everybody be on their way.
And because I live near the airport, I basically drove most of the way home with this truck, which I suspect is their air support unit. So pretty cool.